Hello on this episode of Road King Garage, an homage to Roadkill Garage with Steve Dulcich and David Freiberger, two of my favorite people in the whole world. Love that show. Wish they had kept it going. But in classic doing the wrong thing to make it right, as they sometimes do on the show, I'm about to do that as well for the rear swingarm bushings on my 2009 Harley-Davidson Road King. And the reason is because 2009 and 2010, the rear swingarm bushings were made a certain way. And then starting in 2011, they changed it up. It's a different structure. And there's even a website that sells replacement bushings that shows, what does it show for the years? Yeah, 2009, 2010, missing, because these bushings are not made the same. Now, keep in mind, I didn't know this until I had the bike all apart, and I was getting ready to go for a ride that weekend. And look at this, I don't have the right bushings after all, even though the website says this will fit a 2009 Harley-Davidson Road King. So I had to improvise. What I ended up doing was taking them out and butchering the original ones to get the bushings out of them to put in the new ones. All right. And you can see in the video here how loose the bushings had become. This bike has, at this point, it was close to 90,000 miles on it. They probably should have been replaced miles ago. But wiggling this up and down makes the hair stand up on the back of my neck. You know, it's just, wow, you go around corners, go over bumps. This is what's going on with the rear swing arm that's directly mounted to the transmission. And then it's rubber mounted to the frame. Okay, they've been doing that for years, nothing new there. But the surprise was, we changed the bushings in 2011. So here's what I did. I pried the aluminum bushing from inside the rubber puck, and I had to trim it down so it would fit inside the new swing arm bushing. So I had to cut one end off and shorten it a little bit to make it the same width as the original factory one was. So I made my own and put it back together. And to put it back together, you have to reach in through the swing arm with like your left arm, follow the swing arm itself. I removed the rear shock to get that out of the way to do mine. But reach in there and you can carry that, remove the original one and carry the new one in and slide it into place and rotate it to make sure that little notch lines up with the peg, because you've got to have that. That's proper alignment, and it also holds it stiffer. And do the same thing on the other side. Put the swing arm axle, as long as you can look right through it, you can put the swing arm shaft back through, put it all back together, and put the nuts back on, and hopefully you're good to go. So that's how I did it, doing the wrong thing to make it right. If your 2009 or 2010 FL bike needs new rear swing arm bushings, all I can say is good luck.